Heisenberg gamma ray microscope experiment is one of the thought experiment which is used to experimentally verify Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So this is that Heisenberg gamma ray microscope which can be used to find the position and momentum of the electron. So let us say that electron is present at point O, and in order to see that electron we will make a gamma ray photon incident on it. If this gamma ray photon after colliding the electron enters into the objective lens of this gamma ray microscope, the electron will be seen. Let lambda be the wavelength of this gamma rays. Alpha is the semi-vertical angle of the cone of this microscope. So in order to see this electron, the gamma ray photons after striking the electron must enter into this cone of the microscope. So in Heisenberg gamma ray microscope experiment, Heisenberg used a microscope to view the electron and to find the position of the electron. He made a gamma ray photon incident on the electron, and this gamma ray photon, if it enters into the objective lens of this gamma ray microscope, then the electron can be seen. Now this is a microscope, and microscope is characterized with a resolving power. Resolving power of the microscope is its ability to separate two closely spaced objects, and resolving power of the microscope is given by delta x is equal to lambda upon 2 sin alpha. Remember, we are trying to reduce the uncertainties by using the ideal equipments, but even though the equipment is ideal, it will be having the resolving power according to laws in optics. So this resolving power is the minimum distance that can be resolved by this microscope. So we are not violating any law in physics. Even though we are using ideal microscope, then also this delta x will be uncertainty in the determination of position of the electron, because this is the smallest distance that can be resolved. So if the distance is less than this delta x, then it will not be noted by this gamma ray microscope also. So this uncertainty in the determination of position of the electron is equal to delta x, that is equal to lambda upon 2 sin alpha, where alpha is the semi-vertical cone of this microscope and lambda is wavelength of this gamma ray photon. What we can do to reduce this uncertainty? We can reduce this uncertainty by reducing the value of wavelength, and that is why we are using gamma ray photons, because gamma rays will have very small wavelength, so that we will have very little uncertainty. But we cannot select zero wavelength, because once zero wavelength is selected, no experiment can be performed. When wavelength is equal to 0, delta x will be equal to 0, but then there is no experiment that can be performed, and therefore if we select any non-zero value of wavelength, then that will introduce uncertainty delta x in the determination of position of the electron. So we have seen that there is uncertainty in the determination of position of the electron, which is given by the resolving power of the microscope, delta x equal to lambda upon 2 sin alpha. Now let us calculate uncertainty in the determination of momentum of the electron. Seeing this electron, we are making use of gamma ray photon. This gamma ray photon, after colliding with the electron, if it enters into the objective lens of this microscope, then the electron is seen and position of the electron can be determined. Initial momentum of this gamma ray photon is p dash. Now the electron will be seen if the gamma ray photon enters in any direction between OA and OB. So we are not sure about the direction of gamma ray photon. So if the gamma ray photon enters along the direction OB, then the momentum of the gamma ray photon will become p after the collision, and therefore x component of this momentum of the gamma ray photon will be p sin alpha. So if p sin alpha is the momentum of gamma ray photon along x direction, then the momentum imparted to the electron along the x direction would be initial momentum p dash along the x direction minus p sin alpha. So this will be the momentum imparted to the electron along the x direction if gamma ray photon enters along the direction OB. If the scattered gamma ray photons goes along the direction OA, then x component of momentum of this photon will be minus p sin alpha, and in that case the momentum imparted to the electron along x direction would be initial momentum, that is p dash minus p sin alpha, p dash minus p sin alpha, that is p dash plus p sin alpha. So now we can calculate the uncertainty in the determination of momentum of the electron. Momentum of the electron can be anything between p dash plus p sin alpha and p dash minus p sin alpha along the x axis. So uncertainty in the determination of momentum of the electron will be delta px, that is equal to p dash plus p sin alpha minus p dash minus p sin alpha. So here p dash will get cancelled, and this minus will become plus, so p sin alpha plus p sin alpha. So uncertainty in the determination of momentum of the electron will be equal to 2p sin alpha. So we know the uncertainty, the determination of position is lambda upon 2 sin alpha, and uncertainty in the determination of momentum is 2p sin alpha. We can reduce this uncertainty in the determination of momentum by reducing the value of alpha, but we cannot make alpha equal to 0, because as soon as we make alpha equal to 0, delta px will become 0, but then the microscope will not exist and experiment cannot be performed. So in order to perform the experiment, microscope should exist, and as the microscope exists, alpha will be, sin alpha should be non-zero, and as soon as sin alpha is non-zero, uncertainty in the determination of momentum is introduced. So by using de Broglie relation, this p is equal to h upon lambda. So uncertainty in the determination of momentum of the electron is 2h by lambda sin alpha. Now let us take the product of these two uncertainties, delta x into delta px, that is equal to lambda upon 2 sin alpha, that is the value of delta x, and delta px is 2h by lambda sin alpha. So here 2 will get cancelled, sin alpha will get cancelled, and lambda will get cancelled, and delta x into delta px is equal to h, which is greater than h upon 4 pi. So this is how, using this gamma ray microscope experiment, the Heisenberg uncertainty principle can be verified. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to the channel so that you will get timely intimation of new videos uploaded to the channel. Thank you very much.